you wearing today?
What's going on? This Supreme Scarface tee, I think like 2017. Needles, wide leg track pants, Rick Owens.
Yeah, for real, I love the look, bro. It's got real like rustic vintage vibes. Like you killing them, bro. For real, for real. My next question is, when did you start your brand and why?
We started it this year, actually, 2024. We did our first apparel collection. We've been doing hats for a while. I really started it under the mentorship of another brand owner from Atlanta, Retrovert. He's a real close friend, a mentor to me, and he's basically been helping us out build this brand, showing us the ropes, and letting us build something for our own.
All right, what is your favorite way of promoting your business?
Promoting the business. Honestly, my personal favorite way is just kind of word of mouth. Like I kind of enjoy this convention, just having people stop by,
creating relationships,
sparking conversation with people, really getting through word of mouth. Definitely.
Okay. And what would you say is the most important part about vending? Being a vendor.
The most important part, just being timely, having a good stream of communication, whether it's with your supplier, your customer, your buyers, your sales rep. If you have a clear line of communication, if you're being efficient with your time and just making deadlines and stuff, really pushing yourself, not just kind of like half-assing it, everything runs smooth.
Have you ever had any bad vendor experiences? Nah, because you got like people that been showing you the way before you started. You got like mentors and shit, and that's what comes with having good mentors. You don't have to worry about like all the struggles of like pitfalls and failing and starting over, and you know what I mean. Like I kind of had to go through some things like that. I had to. Not a lot of people wanted to give me knowledge, so that was my thing. Anyway, I just wanted to talk to you today. I'm a fashion brand designer as well, but I also have my own manufacturing, and I was just trying to get the word from the streets and see what was going on. We do have a showroom in Phoenix, Arizona.
Okay.
If you're ever looking for a different manufacturer and you come out and you get some samples, we'll even give you the first sample for free.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying? I'll exchange my information with you, bro.
Yeah.
And it was really nice to meet you again. It's Darnell. Everybody calls me Dio. And what's your name again?
Kimani.
Kimani, bro. Really nice to meet you, bro.
For sure. Thank you.
Yeah, take care, man.
Yeah.
Yep.